Hey friends, this is Ganesh. Let us start our session with replacement method. Friends, what is replacement? You know that replacement means you just removing one thing and you will be putting something in the same place. That is replacement. New entry method means you will be adding, you will be continuously adding. But replacement, you are just replacing means you are if you are going to remove something in that same place, you will be adding something, right? Because you are specifying that shit, right? So this is replacement. For example, if there are two persons, if I remove one person, if I add one person, so this is called replacement. So initially the quantity remains same in case of replacement. Now coming to the replacement, what is my shortcut formula? Man included is equal to man reduced or man replaced plus n1 into a1 minus a. So what is n1, what is a1, what is a? You will be we will be discussing in the sums, right? So now see. Now try to get the question. The average weight of 8% increases by 2.5 kg. Means what? The average weight of 8% increases by 2.5 kg. You just put it in your mind. Now observe from this. When a new person comes in a place of them weighing 65 kg. 65 kg. Means what is telling? So initially 8 people are there. Initially 8 people are there. In these 8 people, one person who is weighing 65 kgs, who is having a weight of 60 kgs, is moving out. Is moving out, right? Means what? Initially there are 8 number of students are there. Out of 8 number of students, one person, one student who is having a weight of 65 kgs is going outside. Is going outside. Now, how many number of students are there? 7 number of students are there. Now what? Another student is coming. Another student is coming and joining the group. So initially how many number of people? Now how many number of people are there? 8 number of people are there. Now, if this process is happening, means the person who is having 65 kg is going and some person who is having something weight is coming. If the person who is having something weight, if he joins the group now, then the average increases by 2.5 kg. Then the average increases by 2.5 kg. You got the question now? You got the question or not? Means what? See, let me try to explain correctly. So initially there are 8 number of students. Initially there are 8 number of students. Out of these 8 number of students, a student who is having a weight of 65 kg is going out. How many number of students are there now? 7 number of students are there. Now what is replacement? You will be replacing the student. So one person gone out now, so you will be getting another person and you are adding in this group. Now after adding, I am having 8 number of students. I am having 8 number of students. But after adding the 8th student, the average increased by 2.5 kg. The average increased by 2.5 kg. Now he is asking that what is the weight of the student included? What is the weight of the student included? Right? You got the question right? Now you got the question right. Now let me try to get the solution. So now right. So what is man included is equal to man replaced plus n1 into a1 minus a. This may be positive or this may be negative. I'll be telling what these things. Now who is including? Let that person who is including be a. Let the person included is a. Now who is replacing? The person who is having 65 kg is replacing. So 65 plus. How many number of people will be there? Initially they will be having 8 number of people only now. Now if I am doing this process, my average increase or decrease? Increases. Increases means positive. How much it is increasing? 2.5. Now a is equal to 65 plus 8 into 25 by 10. So 2 4s are 2 5s are 5 5s are. So 65 plus 5 4s are 20, which is equal to 85 kgs. Means the person who is I am replaced is 85 kgs. Right? The person who is included is having a weight of 85 kgs. Right? So this comes under replacement method. You just put this consideration. This may be if it does that, if it is decreased by 2.5 kgs, then you should take minus here. Then you should take minus here. Then you will be getting minus 20, which is equal to 45 kgs. Right? So initially you should get this whether they given positive or negative. Right? So this comes under replacement method. You just pause the video and try to write all these things. Friends, this question is very important. This was asked in SSC and SBA. So this question is asked in both SSC and SBA. Now try to get the question. the average age of 10 persons decreased. Decrease means what should I take? I should take negative. So in this part, I will be taking negative by 2 years. So my average is decreased by 2 years. When two of them whose ages are 21 years and 23 years are replaced by 2 men, means what? So out of 10 people, I just replace 2 people. Let those two peoples be X and Y. Let those 2 peoples be X and Y. Now what is telling? After excluding whose ages are 21 years and 23 years, means what? Out of those 10 people, the 2 people who are having 23 years and 21 years are replaced by 2 men. He is asking the average age of 2 men is. So I should get the average age of the 2 persons who are replacing. Now what is my formula? Man included is equal to man excluded plus n1 into a1 minus a. So I thought that let the 2 persons be x and y. So who is man included? X plus y. X plus y is equal to man replaced how much? 21 plus 23 plus how many number of people are there? 10 number of people are there. Is my average increase or decrease? Decrease means minus. How much is decrease? Minus 2, right? So 21 plus 23, you will be getting 44. You will be getting 44 minus 20. So 10 into minus 2 minus 20. So you will be getting 24. So x plus y is equal to 24. X plus y is equal to 24. Now what is asking? The average age of 2 men. How? So in order to get my average, what should I do? I should divide it by 2. So 24 by 2, which is equal to 12 years. So the replace. So the average of the 2 person replaced is 21, 12 years, right? So with this, I will be ending the replacement method. So this is the only formula. You should not get confusion whether to use positive or negative here, right? So if increase it, you will be taking positive. If decrease, you will be taking negative, right, friends? If you think the video is useful, you just share to your friends. But don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you like this, you just like the video. Thank you.